Hey everyone, it's Dr. Matt Zimmerman from Zimmerman Family Wellness bringing you another health moment. This last weekend, one of my closest friends, their 5-year-old child, had an ear infection. So of course, what did I do? I immediately went and adjusted the child, not once but a couple times. Now of course they asked, why would there be a connection between chiropractic and ear infections? An excellent question, and a question that's been asked by many, many patients in my office. Let me explain that to you. Now, the first thing that we need to do is understand a little bit about the anatomy of the spine and how that can affect the eustachian tubes, which are the tubes that drain the ear. Is the area of the spine that we're very concerned about. This right here, this bone, the top bone of the spine, is known as C1 or Atlas. Just like the Greek god holding up the world, this is holding the skull on top of the spine. Now it's very important, this area, because the spinal cord actually drops down into that area of the brainstem, and if there's any type of rotation or misalignment, that subluxation of the spine, that'll cause a stress to this area, which will not allow the body to fully express itself through its nervous system and the nerve flow going to the rest of the body. Here's an excellent diagram showing and comparing the adult eustachian tube with the child's eustachian tube. If we notice with the adult, you have a high angle right there, allowing that inner ear to drain on a regular basis. With a child, you have a very shallow angle right here. Now, with the child, if the C1 or Atlas rotates, it can block or cause an inflammation that can block that eustachian tube. Once it's blocked, you have a dark, damp, warm environment that is a perfect petri dish for infection. With chiropractic, you can adjust that area of C1 and open those eustachian tubes and allow it to drain properly. Hopefully now we've better explained the correlation between chiropractic and how that can help alleviate ear infections. At Zimmerman Family Wellness, we take care of dozens of children. And a lot of those children were brought to us by parents concerned about their children with ear infections. If you're concerned or know somebody that has a child that has had ear infections or chronic ear infections, before they're dealing with surgery or countless drugs, feel free to let them know about our office. Pass this video on to them. Wishing you health and wellness, I'm Dr. Matt Zimmerman, and this has been another Health Moment. Have a great day.